Hey Team 101, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold and crude oil from 7 till 8 July. So let's begin. We are currently on a 4 hourly chart for the gold, and here we can spot an support trend line which would suggest like this. This would be the support trend line. If we extend this, we can also make this as a support trend line. Thus, we have drawn the support trend line. As we can see that the market has been taking support, and on my weekly forecast we were expecting a bearish move for the gold for a shorter term on Monday and Tuesday, as we have seen this bullish candle, and here some around here we should have taken a long position some around 1772, which is some around 1772, and where our stop losses were placed just below the support trend line, and our take profit were first take profit have been hit, which is some around 1786, will be hit soon, and our second take profit was some around 1800 range. Moreover, we can draw a resistance zone which would be a critical area for the gold to see in order to bypass, which is some around 1794 till 1800. This is a resistance zone which was created in the 8 to 9 years before in 2011 2013, and the market has bounces off this critical resistance zone some around 3 to 4 times. Thus this area would be critical, and thus our second take profit or the final take profit was placed some around here. Now we are expecting an bullish move. However, the Team 101 member who have taken the position some around here will be in great profit, and do remember to use trailing profits. And here we can see that the market has been in a bullish move, and thus we are expecting the move towards here. I will not suggest to go long some around 1785. Thus I will not suggest to go long some around 1785. The Team 101 member who have taken the position some around here have to see the market very closely after retesting this area. If we see a breakout upwards on a daily or a 4 hourly chart or a candle, thus we can expect an pullback, and this would give us a second chance to go long for the gold on the pullback. We will not take in long position directly after the market has after the 1 day of an 4 hourly chart for the market has closed upwards this resistance line. We will wait for the market to retest this area. Moreover, we can also draw a resistance trend line which would be some around like this. Some around this, and this would be the above resistance. Thus we can expect that the prices for the gold can bounce off after testing this resistance and this resistance. Thus the position or the long position which we have created some around 1773, we will keep that position until our take profits are hit, and then we will not take any further positions. We will just wait if the market break above this resistance zone and this resistance zone, and we will wait for a pullback, and in long position can be created on a pullback. Take profits would be updated. However, the stop losses would be placed some around 1784. Now moving on in a smaller time frame on a 1 hourly chart. Here we can see that the market has been respecting this resistance area, and then on a smaller time frame we can thus on a smaller time frame, if in traders have to take in long position, thus I will be looking for this area. Let me draw that. Thus we will wait for the market to close above this resistance line. Thus we will go for a long position on and pull back towards this resistance line, turning into an support, and then we can see that the market can advance towards this resistance zone. However, this trade will provide a higher risk and lower reward. We will go for a long position some around 1786 till 1787. Our take profit would be this resistance zone, and our stop losses would be just placed some around 1783. However, I will not take this long position as I have taken some around this support trend line, and we will be only waiting for the market to retest this resistance, and we will wait that the market whether break or bounce off, and the update would be given. Now moving on the crude oil. Now on crude oil, we are currently on a 1-day chart. We can expect an bearish as we can expect an bullish move for the crude oil, as we have recently experienced that the crude oil has tested this support zone, as the market has respected this support zone twice, some around here and some around here. Thus we can expect that the market can have respected the support zone, and we have seen an bullish move for the crude oil some around upwards. Moreover, we can also spot an ascending channel being formed the crude oil for the crude oil some around like this. This would be the above resistance of the channel, and we are expecting a bullish move for the crude oil until it hit this resistance area. Thus we can go for a long position for the crude oil some around 41, with our stop losses just placed below the support trend line, with our take profit of this resistance zone. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1.67. One more reason me being bullish for the crude oil is due to the fact that we have recently spotted a divergence. This is a hidden bullish divergence, as the market is making a higher high, higher low. As the market is making a higher low, however, the indicator should also make a higher low, whereas the indicator is making a lower low, some around here till here. Thus we can spot a clear divergence, which is a hidden bullish divergence, and we suggest that we can experience a bullish move, and we have experienced. Thus the entry trigger point would be some around 40.49. Our take profit would be some around 41.25. Our stop losses would be placed some around 39.86. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1.67. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing, and if you like the video, do like, share and comment, and thanks for watching.